Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix can't meet friends in the friends section in Discover Japan and Forza Horizon 6. So as you can see here, many of them is radio announcers or the DJs. So you need to listen, for example, to unlock Takehiro Sato, I need to listen Horizon Opus. You can listen up to, I don't know, from 1 second to even few hours to basically the DJ to appear, and it will unlock this. And also it's super important to have these settings here. So you need to go to settings, you need to go to audio, make sure master audio is not muted. I'm recording the video, so now it's muted. Then you need to make sure music is also not muted, because you will not hear the music and you will not unlock it. Also super important, to radio DJs should be on. If it's off, you will not hear DJs, and these people that you want to unlock will be DJs. So make sure a radio DJ is on, and also streamer mode is off, because you will not hear them as well. And after you apply these settings, I can show you again what radio you need to listen in order to redeem the friends. So Amy Simpson, Horizon Pulse, Carla Rose, Block Party, Simon Neal, Horizon XS, Isabel Moss, Horizon Wave, Horizon Bass Arena, Scott Tyler, Horizon Opus, Takehiro Sato, Toko Ito in City Radio, Chris Goss in Hospital, and AB Gabelli in Sub Pop. And yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.